Poor baby bird. I can't touch you because if I touch you, the mommy bear will come kill you. I can't touch you. I'm sorry. Your baby bird.
Probably have his nest.
I'm at the walls in my house. If I can figure out how to turn this camera on, it's good. As you can tell, I'm adrenaline sweating because it's like 185 degrees here. Mother Nature, you are a sack of balls. My good deed for the day. I'm walking maybe 4 or 5 blocks. If this is what exercise feels like, I'm gonna stay home and eat and sleep. Oh man. My cousin's up there looking at me like I'm an idiot. Heck, I'm vlogging. I gotta bring something to the channel. I mean, I got a channel, might as well use it. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. I might bring more content to this channel. Don't know. But I do know is my dog is pregnant, so we will have an upcoming video for that moment. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be a month from now. It might probably be a year. But when she does have those babies, I will bring out the phone and record. My feet hurt so bad. I might have to take some medication for my back, but I'm okay with that. It's just for the time being, this might be the very first video I ever put out on YouTube again. Considering my other YouTube channel got smashed and my account got lost. What the hell? Oh, good puppy. It's just me. Hush it up. Yeah, I'm back. Probably forever.
Where's Mama